Week number 30 ECG news with news and facts for the egg and egg product market. The market is still in a summer mood, so we have very quiet and slowly market. We hear from the industries that they're getting offers, plenty of truckloads of cage, barn, free range and also organic eggs. And they have still not so much needs because also the customers for their liquid are not there and they are in holiday. So the market for whole egg and is very quiet at this moment. The market for egg yolk a little bit better because powder producers are buying some loads. But we see that the market for egg white is still under pressure, but on a better stabilized market situation. So we don't think that the market price will decrease more now, and we see that sometimes you can get also some cents more than perhaps some weeks ago. Powder is not easy to be sold now. We can see that the market is everywhere very much under pressure. It's not even in Europe, it's also in all over the world. So you have very much offers, very cheap offers on the market, and it's not very easy to place any kind of powders, not easy to place egg white, the egg yolk or the whole egg anyway. So it is a very hard market time for the powder producers now. On the other hand, we have also good information that most of the egg processing factories have of course built very big stocks already, and they have not the needs to buy very big quantities anymore, even not if they are very cheap. So not big players on the market, even not if the market slows down more, because the stores are quite full and they are of course afraid to buy too much. On the other hand, we can tell you that we have from the packing stations information that they are having really a very bad market now because it's sometimes too hot, the holiday times are there, and they cannot sell very good quantities anymore to the wholesalers and also not to the supermarkets and discounters. So they are giving also their eggs to the industries, which are making also their offer pressure. For the export, we have also seen now the last weeks that it is very difficult there to place any good quantities because the market there is also very quiet. It is very hot in most of these places. People have also left for holiday from that places. So that means they have local eggs enough to very cheap prices, and you can also see that they get very much offers and very cheap from different countries all over the world. In the USA, they have still the same market also. They have a summer market, they have a bad market, they are now producing powder in stock, so the producing of powder and the industries are more on the market and taking some eggs into their stocks. But that is not helping for the price, so that means also that the prices are not dropping so much anymore, but they cannot get the market to increasing prices. And they see also that the consumption is very low and very slowly. So if it is going on like this, that stocks are being built, perhaps that helps that the market will not coming to a dropping point again. How the market will develop, we will of course inform you next week again. Until then, take care.